Steve Eno can do a 1000% pump in just 2 or 3 days. That's what she said. I want to make sure that everyone is on the same page, Steve Eno holders. Look at what's on the screen right now. We heard this yesterday, but boy have we heard a lot of cool, great and crazy crypto news in the last 24 hours. I just want to make sure that everyone holding a Shiba Inu and everyone watching knows what the top marketing officer of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shiba Inu project or whatever you want to call it said, right? It's right here. I'd like to follow up on this. Clearly there is a story. You could look 1,000 times and everyone was like, what in 2 days? Guys, I did it. You always know who I am. Because I want to make money, I both close positions and open new ones. That's why we're here and what the goal is. I put Shiba Inu on a 25x bet and am already 2 numbers ahead. I need to tell you where I did it. Look at the links and I think you'll want to help out the channel. Welcome to Mardex. You can get a bonus of up to $10,000. It makes me happy to see all of you traders. The numbers look great to me. Hope to see you around, holders. Don't forget to hit the like button. And thanks for joining. Tell me in the comments if you're new here. I mean, there are thousands or even hundreds of thousands of us. Eventually when the prices start going up, eventually when, well, we know October is going to be a good month so far and November is still not here. October, November and December are the 3 months that are most likely to be positive. Keep going. Keep going. I'm sure you'll see a lot of trash scams and mean comments here and on X. It's okay though. It's fine. Everything should be okay, I believe it. Good morning guys, Lucy said this. Pay attention because she's buying an asset at a price that hurts buyers as much as it hurts us all. I can feel it too. Isn't important, especially in an environment that is already established but keeps growing. It is very likely that the cheap environment will see a 1000% rise in just 2 to 3 days. That is not financial advice, that is just how I see things, and there is a piece about that. She then brought this up later that same day. Shiba Inu's team says she can search 1000% in 2 days and appear out of nowhere. I don't mean that it will happen today or tomorrow. It is just strong and hard to predict. In the first place, Lucy, I agree with you. 100% guys, quick math. 100% is twice as much as 100%, which is 10 times. Given that the price has 5 zeros right now, 10x must be 4 zeros, right? 3 zeros are what we'll be looking at. Right at 10x is where I feel very good about taking my SHIB gains. I've said it a lot of times, 0.0000017. From the 10 billion Shiba Inus we have now, that is 100 billion, which is 10x. I agree that it is possible to price pump Shiba Inus by 1000%. It took place once a week, twice or 3 times in a month, and over again. It might take a little longer than 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 days. That might not be the case. Here's why you should pay attention. Why? Because it's not Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, SafeMoon or any of those other names anymore. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are no longer mostly in the top 10 or top 50. Let's go back 3 or 4 years. Back then, Dogecoin was the big thing and Shibano killed Dogecoin, right? That being said, we have so many now, and Pepe isn't going to let us ride it all the way up without a fight. There are so many ecosystems, different blockchains, and meme coins that Shibano might need a little more time to fully understand the price pump. This might be better since BTC will look really strong, right? Well over $100,000, probably $200,000. We're going to have some really great price points. For Shiba Inus, on the other hand, it could take weeks or even a few months to reach 100%. But I don't think there's any question in my mind that all the good news we've been telling you guys for the last couple of. Guys, let's open up CoinMarketCap to see how PTC has changed over the last few years, or more specifically, in the last few weeks and months as we move toward this mega boom market. Actually, I wasn't really looking at a chart when the price of Bitcoin dropped all the way to 59,000. This is similar to why I chose to write about margins. And tonight, today's number dropped to 58,000. I saw it. But we're busy, right? You can't always keep an eye on the charts. That's why you leave some jobs open, The point is that Bitcoin is still at $60, which is crazy, even though the CC has bad news and XRP and other groups have good news. We know that the government could sell some over-the-counter OTC Bitcoin worth $4 billion or more from Silk Road. We also know that a lot of wealthy people and money managers want to buy XRP ETF right now. There are 3 shades of gray. The last one was, guys, help me out here. Oh, I forgot, but there's a new one. That one got its own video. They want crypto like crypto isn't going anywhere, guys. Like, this is how things are. We should do really well, right? It's already set up. We'll be fine. To get from here to 10x for Shiba Inu, you just delete a 0 and stick it out. That's your 10x, not 10 or 100 billion, but 10 or 100 billion. That's it. I really believe that 100% of the guys is in the books. I think it's possible. That's where you and I will not believe it. We're not going to believe it, right? Just know that the biggest difference between the price of a Shiba Inu and the market price of a Shiba Inu was about $40 in October 2021. I'll try to get October here now. Okay, let's look at in 30 minutes or so, right? Guys, just look at the volume: 6.5 billion, 7 billion, 8 billion, and 12 billion. Everyone was buying, and it was crazy. I mean, in the billions, everyone was buying. Just one more Dogecoin itself, if we look at the Dogecoin market cap, that was in 2020 or 2021. Don't forget when you went crazy. I'll try to do it. I guess I won't be able to get the top. There it is. That's it. Hold on. Hey, thanks a lot. Okay, let's end it there. That's May 2021 with $28 billion in trades and a market value of $75 billion. Everyone, this is the most money that any meme coin has ever made. That was during the last bull market. Finally, Pepe, we can't live without you because you're number 3. We need to talk about it just to give you an idea and to compare. Yes. Pepe was 7 years old. It was 2023, right? 23. It should not show me right here, but it does. It was the year 2023. Anyway, here's my point. Let me check if I can go back into July 23. It's not a problem.